Hello, I'm Manuel Monserrate. I'm with Toshiba Global Commerce Solutions, and I am responsible within Toshiba for a lot of the solutions plan that goes into all the demonstrations and everything that we show our clients here at NRF, right? And also to show how Exhibitus has really worked with us throughout the entire year to make this really come to life. So one of the things I really like about our design here is, as you can see, it's immediately very welcoming, right? We love to have a very open entrance so that our clients, as soon as they come in, they can really take a look and find the types of things they're interested in, right? So Exhibitus really helped us bring out a lot of the things that we wanted to showcase throughout. And that's how you'll see all the red signs and everything that's laid out here. Let me show you a little bit more of that. The booth is organized according to different solution segments in the retail industry, right? In this case, for example, we have solutions that are specific for convenience store. And then within those, we're really highlighting how we're using innovation and AI and some of the cool technologies to bring those products to life. This area here to my left is actually one of the biggest areas of the booth. A lot of our biggest customers are really around grocery and high volume retail. So you can see a lot of different solutions and different touch points that really speak to that market, right? Grocery, high volume. You have our self-checkout or front-end registers, a lot of different technology and a lot of really good innovation, but really well organized here. It kind of feels like a store, and that's one of the things that we wanted to really do, is to make sure that as our customers are going through and seeing our solutions, they're also seeing how their stores could look in there, right? So that's part of a lot of the design that's come throughout the booth for us. Then, of course, we have our hospitality area. We want everybody to feel welcome when they're here visiting us, but still at the same time to solutions that we have around cafe and restaurant solutions, right? Tying it all together, we have solutions that are not specific to an industry, but focus more around experiences that we want to bring for our retailers again. We want them to see how their customers could shop around and they could experience retail technology. And then another big part that's always very important for us is really our hardware, right? We're big on retail hardware for all types of formats. So this is what we typically call our hardware bar, right? This is where we showcase a lot of our platforms, a lot of our point of sale solutions. We're here kind of in the center of the booth. Very open area, again, very welcoming. We have an area here with our experts. Any conversation from around all the different demos, we can bring it here and take it more in depth, right? So this is a very important part of our design to kind of bring everybody all the way to the middle to really take that next conversation forward, right? So this is why I really love this design a lot. The last big thing that we have in the booth this year is we actually created a big frictionless experience. And this was a cool project because, you know, every year we do something kind of special in our booth, right? And it's always a challenge that we have for the Exhibitus team, where we say, well, we want to do something kind of out of the normal. So we ended up building a full experience here that brings together a lot of the technologies that we have in our solutions. And just for a very specific, relevant use case, not only can we show our clients the actual solutions that we have in market, but we can show them more of what's really possible if you really take our technology and kind of work with us to do that. So it's really more than just a store. A lot of really cool technology, a lot of innovation, using AI, using biometric cameras, all this technology to show how an experience could be in the future in a real store. All right, so I've had the pleasure of working with Exhibitus for, I don't know, about the last 10 years, and especially the last 3 years as I've become responsible for, like I said, a lot of the different solutions that go in the booth. We work with them probably half of the year, all the way from here's an idea, here's a theme that we want to bring out, into bringing this amazing thing that you see here together, right? They have an amazing team of professionals on the creative side, on the technical side, and there's really no problem they can't tackle. I mean, we've thrown challenges at them year after year, change designs, work with us on costs, work with us on things. They'll bring the right professionals. I mean, it's really amazing the talent and the professionalism that we get with Exhibitus, right? We've had a really great relationship. Not only do we work with them here, they also help us with some of the projects we have in our headquarters. I can't say enough good things about them because they really are considered one of our closest partners, right? To the point where I know them, a lot of them personally. I feel like I can pick up the phone and reach out to them and call them and solve any problem that we have. So it's been an amazing relationship that I hope we continue as we do more of these big events, right? Because there's no better way to really show that if you look around, I mean, everybody will tell you this looks amazing and it works great. So I'm really, really grateful for the Exhibitus team and the partnership that we've had now for so long.